if we don't have accurate product information, and we, because most of our stuff ships free to the consumer, and we pay for shipping a 40-pound box, large furniture box to somebody's door, and then it's not accurate, the color isn't right, or there's something in our product information that set a wrong expectation, then we end up paying a round trip for that. So there's a lot of cost to having bad product information. Distribution of that information used to be a choke point, and now it's not. And so that's kind of the one of the biggest and freeing things of this company is now we can bring on additional accounts. We can try different strategies. We can utilize the enhanced content and whatnot to present better digital presence of our product information to a consumer. It just feels like we can do whole new levels of information that we used to struggle to do a couple of years back.
See Salsify in action. Request a demo today.